you're experiencing account sync issues with EA FC25, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and set up your account correctly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause sync issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that you have the latest version of EA FC25 installed. Check for updates in your game platform and store and download any available updates. This can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the sync issue. Step 4. Sign out and sign back in. Log out of your EA account within the game settings. After logging out, wait a moment and then log back in. This can refresh your account connection and resolve sync problems. Step 5. Contact EA support. If the issue persists, reach out to EA support for assistance. Provide them with details about your problem, and they can help you troubleshoot further or provide a solution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues with the EA FC25. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from EA support.